Hey guys, my name is Koen and welcome to Ocean Roadies. Today we're not at the ocean, but we're about to hit the road in our self-built camper van. And I'm very excited to share this with you guys, because for over 1 year, me and my brother have been working on building this amazing freedom vehicle. Let me give you guys a tour. The cool thing about this van is that it actually doesn't look like a camper. It looks like a regular moving or construction van, I don't know. But when you open the doors, you see that there's more than meets the eye. So here we are standing in the van. It's a very nice and cozy place. And you can see the wall is made with wallpaper. And we're quite happy with how that turned out, because it gives the van a very unique feeling, very cozy feeling as well. Of course we have a lot of wood, the floor is wood, the ceiling is wood. But we didn't want the walls to be wood as well, because it would just get too woody. And now we got some nice fish, some koi on the wall. Over here we have a picture that Martin, my brother, took. He's a photographer, so when we're on the road we're gonna make lots of pictures and videos for you to enjoy. We got the kitchen block right here. It's where we're gonna do all the cooking. We already have an Italian coffee maker, so we can have nice and fresh coffee in the morning. Tastes really good. So over here you have the water tap. Works very nice. There we go. And we have an extra tap right here for fresh water, but you can also put the tube in a bottle of vodka, but let's keep that a secret. So the tube goes into the vodka, and over here comes right out. It's going to be useful for cocktail night. When you open the kitchen block, what we have right here is the fridge. The fridge is from Dometic. It's very cool because it works on both 12 volt and 220 volt. So right now it's connected to the inverter, and once it's connected to the inverter, it can cool it down to whatever temperature you want, even below 0. And if you turn it on 12 volts, it will keep that temperature steady. So over here we put some beers and food to make sure we survive the journey. Then we have the gas for the stove, 5 liter of gas, and it can be refilled. And we have the gray water tank. That one is for all the water that washes down right here. So you can see the stove works quite well. First you need to put the gas on. There we go. Let's try that again. There we go. So you can cook all sorts of things here. This is very nice. Right now we don't want to damage the wallpaper, so we're just using this plate to protect it, but we'll probably build something later to make it a bit more nice. So this is the bed, and you may think it's a little bit small for a couple of Dutchmen, and you're right, because this is only part of it. There's an extension piece which you put up, and then the bed becomes about 2 meters, which is very comfortable to sleep on. So let me show you how you put on the extension piece. The piece is below the mattress. Take it out like this. Very nice. And then you take this mattress, put it right here, and then you have yourself a nice, comfortable, long bed. Over here you have the cupboards, everything handmade as well. This one is the pantry for some food, lots of peanut butter. This is for electronics and items and whatnot. And this one will be for toothpaste and personal hygiene items. So lots of storage space right here. So there is the diesel heater. It's in the seat. gives us all the heat that we need during the trip, and it takes the diesel from the tank of the car. And over here you have the max fan ventilation. It's the best system you can get for the camper ventilation. Quite important, because of course you want everything to be properly ventilated and that you have a nice airflow. So you can open it up like this and it starts blowing immediately. Quite loud, I know. And yeah, you can put it at different volumes. You can put it at air in and air out. What we usually like is when we put it on air out and we open a little piece of the window so that you have a constant airflow coming in and out, which is very refreshing. So let me show you guys the extra seat. It's a swivel seat, so you can turn it around. You may not believe it, but let me show you. Here we go. Now you got yourself an extra seat to chill and lounge and have a good time. So let me show you guys the back. Over here we have the electricity installation. We got 3 200-watt solar panels on the roof, which gives us quite a lot of power. And it goes through the MPPT charge controller, which converts it into 12 volts, into the battery, which is right here, custom built from China. Battery goes to the inverter, which gives us the 220 volts for our laptops and stuff. And it also goes to the fuse panel, which is connected to all the 12 volt electricity, such as the LED lights, the ventilation and the diesel heater. Here you have the water tank. Right now we only have cold water, we don't have a shower yet. So we're gonna probably be stinky after the first trip. But we'll see if we can build a shower and a boiler later on. Here we have the pump, and that blue thing makes sure that there's a steady water flow coming out of the tap. This is really cool because here on the top you can have the dimmer for the lights, and you have a power plug, which is nice in the doors. So we put the cable right through here and to the electricity system. So that works quite well. Turn it on and the lights go on like that. Oh no, there we have another wild drone. I think it's dead. Oh, no. Now it's definitely dead. So that's it for the tour. We're gonna show you a couple of videos later about how we made it. We're very happy with the result, because me and my brother spent about 1 year to build this awesome Freedom vehicle. And yeah, if you want to know where our first destination is, then make sure to subscribe to this channel, follow us on Instagram, and yeah, let's go for some adventures. Here we go.